As a black soldier fly expert, I have trained thousands of black soldier fly farmers across Africa. And I have realized that many start with excitement, but along the way, they begin to struggle. They tell me that they do not have a lot of time to take care of the entire black soldier fly colony, hatching eggs, look for waste. The list is endless. In this video, I'm going to show you the 4-step SIMBA approach. This is a simple system that allows you to operate a black soldier fly facility or farm using less time, less resources, and less space. SIMBA stands for Simplified Black Soldier Fly Farming Approach. With this approach, you only need to work on your black soldier fly project 2 days a week, spending only about 1 or 2 hours each day. This makes black soldier fly farming more simple, practical, and sustainable, especially on a small scale. Before I dive into the 4 steps, it is very important to choose a schedule 2 days in a week that are very convenient for you to work on your black soldier fly project. In this demonstration, I'm going to use a Monday and Thursday. Source 1 kilogram of 7-day-old black soldier fly hatchlings. Add the hatchlings to a small amount of waste substrate to feed for 3 days. This can be 2 to 4 kilograms of waste substrate, depending on the size of the container. Fill the rearing boxes or containers or crates with organic waste. The organic waste should be shredded in case you have a machine. You have to ferment it and then introduce the hatchlings into the prepared waste. If you are new to black soldier fly farming, check out my previous videos for more details about waste preparation and larva rearing. Now that we have introduced the hatchlings to the prepared waste, let's keep monitoring the batch. We will keep turning the waste to ensure that it is well aerated. Turning also helps the larva to find the remaining uneaten waste substrate. Do not turn or disturb the larvae every day. Simply follow the recommended schedule. In 2 weeks, roughly 10 days, our larvae will be mature and ready to be harvested. Separate the larvae from the frass using a sieve or even any other method. Now you have 2 valuable products: the high-protein black soldier fly larva and a nutrient-rich frass or organic fertilizer. You can feed the larva directly to chicken, fish, and pigs, or further add value to it. Black soldier fly farming should be simple, practical, and profitable to farmers. And with the SIMBA approach, this can be achieved. Do you want to learn more about the SIMBA approach? Type SIMBA in the comment section and I'll share you the download link to the SIMBA production guides. Thank you for watching this video and see you in the next one. Bye bye.